Let's we start the first chapter of class 10th, chemical reaction and equation. What is chemical reaction and what is equation? First we have to know what is chemical. The word chemical is derived from the word matter. First we know what is matter. Matter means it is defined as anything having space and which occupying mass. Let's we see, suppose pen, it is a pen, that pen is a matter. That paper is also a matter, but the pen is made of plastic. That plastic is called chemical. So here if pen is a matter but the plastic is a chemical, is like that the paper is a matter but the constituent of the paper is called chemical. Everything in this world, if mobile, laptop, TV, you can say these are called matters, but these matters are consists of the constituents. That constituents are called chemicals, and that constituents like silicon, germanium, different types of a substance, so that substance are called chemicals. Let's know what is reaction. Reaction, according to Newton's third law of motion, every action has equal and opposite reaction. Like that, what is reaction? Reaction as mixture of two substances. If we can add matter with a matter, then the matter will be completely changed and it is converted into a new matters. That is called products. It is called product. So here first two matters combines with each other in a definite ratio, that is called a reaction. It is called reaction. So when two matters combines to form a new substance, that process is called reaction. And in this process the two chemical matter involves, so it is called chemical reactions. Let's we take an example of chemical reaction. Suppose magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide consists of two chemical matter. One is called magnesium. Magnesium is an element, and another element is oxygen, MgO2, gives rise a new compound. That compound is called magnesium oxide. Here you can say magnesium, oxygen. These two substances, these two elements combines to form a new substance. That new substance is magnesium oxide. It is called chemical reactions. Magnesium is a metal, and magnesium elements having 12 electrons in their cells, different cells. So its electronic configuration is 282. It means there are 2 electrons in their valence shell. So magnesium having 2 plus charges, like that. Oxygens whose electronic configuration is 2,6. It contains 2 electrons in its K cells and it contains 6 electrons in its L cells. It means oxygen atoms having charges 2 minus. Here the two charges crisscross with each other and it will form magnesium oxide. So let's know what is chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is defined as the reaction in which the constituents, here the constituents means it is also called reactants, in which the constituents or reactants undergoes chemical changes and produces a new substance which is called product. That process is called chemical reaction. So chemical reaction involves in two process. First the first process is the constituents are called reactants, and these reactants combines with each other, and that combination is called chemical changes. and that combinations they can produce a new substance that is called product. Let's we know about the observation of a chemical reaction. What happens when the two substances combines to form a new substance? That observation of a chemical reaction. What happens? Let's we know. I can read you. First point, change in state. First point is change in state. When two substances combine with each other in product side, the new element which is formed, that in its state will be completely changed. If the constituents is either solid or liquid or gas, then the product also be changed, that it also be changed solid, liquid or gas according to it. Let's we take second point. The second point is change in color. Change in color, the color also will be changed. Next, third point is change of gas. Change of gas. And the fourth point is change of temperature. Change of temperature. Let's we take